Last February, I got caught up with Veronica, and I was kind of interested in the legal nurse consulting field. And she had a program out in Napa where I got to do her ALNC course. It was quite informative. It lasted several days. We went over the very basics of what it is to be a legal nurse consultant. We learned how to write reports. We learned how to draw up a contract. We went over the software that was available to us. Then we actually got to do a case, and that was quite interesting. She was very informative to us. Her teaching techniques were really good, and she was overall, it was great. It was also a very small group, which helped us all learn quite a bit. Then this year, I had the opportunity to come out here to Tampa, where we did an internship, where again, it was a small group of us. She emailed our courses to us ahead of time, where we got to put these case reports together, go over chronologies, what we would do on a case, preparing it for an attorney, timelines, and all the information needed. And what was nice is once we got here, we met up with everybody, everyone reviewed their cases, and Veronica was very good about reviewing what we needed to do, how we could make it better, or she told us how great we did, but we got to see other people's work, which really helped us all develop new skills on forming these cases when we go into attorneys. The next day, we spent time with interview techniques and how not to accept no for an answer. And that was just really a lot of help for me. I've had a few cases now, but I wanted more, and I wanted more help with that. So thanks to RN Market for everything. I also have their marketing package, which has just been a great help. And everybody I give it to just compliments me on how well it's been done. I just want to tell you a quick story. I was on my way up to Napa to meet Veronica this last trip up to the Napa Valley for the Legal Nurse Consulting seminar, and it was kind of interesting. I got this quick phone call from this attorney who needed me immediately to go out to the nearby facility on a case, and I quickly called Veronica, and she told me what to tell him, and she told me if I was going to go out there and this class, that I needed to tell him it was going to cost him X amount of dollars to go out to this jail. So I quickly got back on the line, and I told him, I said, well, I got to miss class to come out there and come and see you, and the story went on. So I went out to jail, and he not only paid me, but he ended up giving me a bonus on the job. The next day I went out there, I got the first $1,000, and the next day I went back, finished up the case, and he gave me another $1,500 on it. So in 2 days I made $2,500. It was totally unexpected, and Veronica had just the right coaching to tell me what to tell this guy, and it just kind of came naturally once I got used to it. It was just a really good experience.